Good afternoon. This is Rahul from Lone Star Consulting, and today I am at Harvard University. It is a private Ivy League university located in the beautiful town of Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States. It's an Ivy League private university, and it's a prestigious university for getting admission in, and they are quite high criteria for admission process. We require top grade cream scores for getting admission into Harvard University. Percentile ranges from 97 to and above ranks students. Good GRE, excellent GRE GPA and TOEFL scores are required for this highly competitive university to get admission into. It has 32 million endowment that makes it a rich university in terms of research, scholarships and development. It is one of the largest library in United States, and it has graduate, undergraduate and PhD and professional programs in its fold. University has a newspaper internal publication that is the Harvard Crimson that publishes news on the admissions process, the GRE, GMAT, all the scores, requirements, and overall worldwide international students admission. So you can refer to Harvard Crimson for admission purposes to get more insight into the admission process of Harvard. Admission university, the fees at Harvard is $60,000 per annum, and you can understand by the quality of education it provides. And last year it received 27,000 applications for graduate undergrad programs, and out of that 2%, 2,000 applications were selected. That makes it around 5 to 6% of total application it receives. The students get admitted into Harvard University. Again, we can see the Harvard has a very beautiful area, and it's located in that Cambridge town. It's a university with lots to offer. It has lots of stores, very nicely in the northeastern United States. And we can see the statue of Harvard. That's the main entrance gate. So look forward to talk to you and discuss more about US universities admissions. Till then, have a good day. This is Rahul from Lone Star Consulting, again from Harvard University. It's a privilege to be at Harvard here in Cambridge, MA, United States. Thank you so much. You have a good day.